it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block outgoing calls on your iPhone. So what you need to do is go to settings, and before I continue this video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So basically, once you are here in the settings, you need to go on down until you see screen time. And once you see screen time, scroll down until you see content and price restrictions. You need to turn this on, enter a password, and from there go to allowed apps and then just disable FaceTime. Now this will disable FaceTime and nobody will be able to get you through that, but they can still call you on your phone. So yeah, but let me show you the other way so that they can't even reach you on your phone. Go up until you see mobile services. Click on it, and if you have an eSIM, you will be able to click on that, and once you click on that, just click on your phone number, and from there click that you don't want, like, turn off use the option to use the SIM card. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.